Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any vehicle having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys need to find where the powertrain control module relay is located, also known as powertrain relay, stay with us, we'll explain where to find it, where to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money guys, and why it's important to test relays and fuses. All that guys will be shared absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay till the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car guys that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, that way you don't waste time and money guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses, relays, that way you don't waste your money. So the relay for the powertrain guys, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2010 Honda Accord that we have right here. Fun fact, we have 3 different fuse boxes, but luckily we'll work in one of them, and the fuse box that we will need guys is right under the hood. Let's zoom in a little bit and you can see this thing right here is your engine. Next to it, that's your engine fuse box. Just that cover here needs to be removed. Open that cover and you will see a fuse box layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now guys, okay, if you check your manual for every single relay, none of them says for powertrain control module or engine computer. Practically it's transmission, engine computer, depending if you have manual or automatic transmission. But the powertrain control module, you have one guys, and if you come right here, you have that multifunctional relay, that thing right here, that big thing, that's where it will be integrated. It's computerized relay right here guys, that's the one that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.